Welcome to this series of videos on the new Python engine in Mnova. In this first episode, we're going to give an outline of what to expect in the series and give a sneak peek at what we will be working towards implementing, an AI-powered method to determine aromatic substitution patterns. In the series, we're going to explore what the Python engine is, why we are adding it to Mnova, and what advantages it has over the old JavaScript engine. We will then take a look at running our first Python script in Mnova, Hello Pulpo. In the next episode, we will look at the resources that are available, help, documentation, and examples. There are lots of things out there to help us. Next, we'll take a look at editing, debugging, and code completion. Let's make coding as easy as possible. The next few episodes will concentrate on working with Mnova objects, NMR, MS, spectra, chromatograms, documents, pages, widgets, and dialogues. We will then take a look at how to install and use additional packages. This is a killer feature for the Python engine. In the final episode, we will put together all the things we have learned to train and use an AI model. So let's take a sneak peek at that now, so we can see what we are working towards over the coming episodes. The project we're going to work on aims at recognizing different aromatic substitution patterns of the type we see here, where we see 1 to 3 substituents around a benzene ring. We're going to use an AI model that can recognize which one we have. So here's an example. This spectrum is of a 1, 2, 4 aromatic system. We're going to run our model on it, and it's going to tell us which substitution pattern it thinks it is, based on others it has been trained on. You can see it thinks it's 1, 2, 4, and that matches the pattern we do have in this case. It got it right. So, if this example is the kind of thing you would like to be able to do, or if you have other automations you would like to create, or perhaps you're just interested in knowing more, whatever the reason, watch out for more episodes in this series.